ZenColor app, one of the most popular apps you have for relaxing and just painting app. Relaxing adult coloring book. So here you have it. It's the first coloring game inspired by Zen. Relax and calm by this paint by number game. Free yourself from daily boredom and chaos and find your inner peace. Experience real tranquility with Zen Color, the first coloring game inspired by Dan. Our team is dedicated providing you with the ultimate relaxing and fulfilling gaming experience. So one of the most popular apps in this category is 330,000 ratings for this app. And then you can see a lot of advantages that you can just sleep better and just pretty cool. You have some daily challenges, so you can just find this challenge. Of course, there are all of these annoying ads. Yeah, unfortunately. And then you just start coloring it just like that. Super cool. You just select this area and it's super calming. And you just find all of the details for this color. And that's basically how you progress. So yeah, pretty cool. Then you can see your work, items completed, daily challenge, and achievements, and you can purchase it. So super cool app, and try it out.